The riches of generosity abound is a statement that combines a metaphorical idea with an action. Breaking it down word by word, riches traditionally, this means material wealth, money, and valuable possessions. However, in this context, it's used metaphorically. It refers to non-material wealth, such as fulfillment and purpose, strong relationships and trust, joy and inner peace, goodwill and a positive reputation, opportunities that come from collaboration. Generosity. This is the core of the phrase. It means a readiness to give more than is necessary or expected. Importantly, this isn't just about money. It includes giving your time, knowledge, and mentorship, offering encouragement and support, sharing opportunities and connections, acting with a spirit of abundance rather than scarcity. Abound. This is an action verb. It means to exist in large numbers or great quantity, to be plentiful and overflowing. The combined meaning. Put together, the riches of generosity abound means when you live with a generous spirit, giving freely of your resources, time, and knowledge, you create an overflow of non-material wealth that is far more valuable and fulfilling than financial riches alone. It's the idea that generosity itself generates a different kind of prosperity. The riches are the direct results and rewards of being a generous person. The victoryWithAsh platform. The victoryWithAsh platform is built on a foundation of giving value, first through high-level education, mentorship from Mr. Mufareh, and a supportive community. The riches for participants are the skills, knowledge, personal transformation, and the ultimate opportunity to advance to a new company. The riches for the leaders are the satisfaction of empowering others and building a successful, loyal community of founders. It promises that an abundance of success and opportunity, riches, is available to those who operate with a generous, collaborative mindset rather than a competitive, selfish one. In essence, it's a rejection of the every person for themselves model. It proclaims that true and abundant victory comes from a culture of giving. With the victoryWithAsh platform combines both kind of riches that will prepare all graduates for entrance to the big, bold, beautiful, shared dream company.